I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, did you get the file?
Yeah.
I am so glad you could do this for me. I know it was such short notice, but you're a lifesaver.
Come on. It's no big deal, and really, I loved what I saw.
I'm gonna owe you one, seriously.
So, is the film finished?
Well, yeah, it's edited. It was shot in like 2 days, but it took so much longer to edit than I thought.
Yeah, that happens when I record. Sometimes a song is written in half an hour, and then it takes me so many tries to get one that I think sounds okay.
You and I are so much alike. We have to suffer for our art.
For sure. So I put together some music for the scenes. The action scene, the romantic scene, and the scary horror scene.
Yeah, so I want something classical but dramatic. Like Mission Impossible meets Terminator 3 Rise of the Machines. 'Cause that's like the best movie soundtrack ever.
Lucy, I didn't know you were into action movies.
Yeah, action, classic black and white, romance. I like anything. Okay, I can't wait to hear this.
All right, well, they're matched up with a few different samples, so put those on. Have a listen.
It's too heavy metal rock.
Okay. What about this one?
Oh, okay, that's perfect.
Okay.
Now for the romance, I was thinking something classical. Maybe like Somewhere in Time meets Twilight.
Yeah, I got that.
I think I'm gonna cry. That was perfect. I love it.
Yeah, the romantic pieces are always so much easier. Okay, this one is for the horror part that you said that you wanted.
Yeah, I want The Sixth Sense meets Psycho.
Okay. This is hard, but I've got a few scary examples, so.
No, that's more like Jaws meets Raiders of the Lost Ark. It's scary, but we need something darker.
Okay, here's one more.
That's the one. That was so scary. Getting goosebumps from my own film.
Well, then that's it.
Thank you so much. I'll tell my professor that the music was created by Genevieve Bonsoleil, future composer.
And that's a wrap.